George Clements here, old man with the boat. Thought I'd do today a little bit different, just a quick tutorial on how I launched the boat by myself. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take these straps off. Now right after I take the straps off, since I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and push my drain plug in. I take it in and out one time just to get a good seal. I'm going to come up here, turn the power on to my boat. So I can take my transom saver off. So first thing we're going to do is take this little strap off. We're going to raise her all the way up. Okay, just as I get the boat in the water, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to attach my rope and take the last strap off. Make sure you have enough rope. Come over here and I'm going to unlatch the main strap. Loosen that up. Put that on. Now I'm ready to put the boat in the water. First thing I'm going to do is hook up my rope. After I tied it up, I've got my engine completely trimmed up. Now once I got it unhooked, now I'm just going to take the rope and just pull it in nice and easy. You see, when I put it in, I make sure that my bunks were at least 3/4 the way on the water. Ready? Okay, so once you get it out of the water, all you gotta do now is I lowered the engine, let it drain out a little bit. Put my strap on here, tighten it up. Take my drain plug, which is right there, open that out. The water there is from my live wells emptying. Come back over here. My other one on. Tighten it. Now I'm gonna lift up, put my transom saver back on, and just get it nice and snug. That's it. Put this last strap on. And you're ready to go.